Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable or disable notifications of AnCrypto wallet. First of all, find and open AnCrypto application on your device. You may need to enter your 4-digit PIN here. Now, click on the profile icon which is at the top left corner of your screen. After that, you can see push notifications toggle. Click on it and turn off the toggle. So that is how you can disable your notification. To enable back on, you can simply switch the toggle on. Otherwise, you can also go to your phone settings and find the notifications option. Here, find the application which is AnCrypto. Click on it and you will see allow notifications toggle. Switch that toggle and you will get the notifications on your phone. If you disable it, you won't get any notification from the application. So that is how you can enable or disable notifications of AnCrypto wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.